Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rawmaker with the Home Squad at eXp Realty. Really excited today to share our...
And I'm Rob Stack, the A-lister.
Right, so we're excited. We have a new listing in Avalon Park, and I'm really pumped because Rob here, he has some buyers he thinks that it'd be a good fit for.
This would be a great fit.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about your buyers.
Well, their names are Dawn and Dan Devonshire.
Okay, I didn't need their name.
She is a stay-at-home mom.
Okay.
And he is a butterfly breeder, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Budget's around 4.4 million. But times are tight, so they're going to want to downsize a little bit. So this might be actually quite perfect for them. Yeah, not too much butterfly breeding going on these days.
But they're open to some a good house, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, that's not picky at all?
No, not picky at all, really. Wide open, really flexible.
Let's go check out the house.
Let's see it.
Yeah. Welcome to this beautiful home. So I wanted to show you this first because it's this amazing colonial porch.
Wow.
Yeah, so you sit here, you have a park across the street.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Space right there.
There's so much space over here. You can put a table out here, hang out, coffee, tea. So how do you like this?
I love this. I think this is beautiful.
Yeah.
You get to see the green space, got plenty of space.
So it's going to be perfect for your buyers then?
Well, actually, I mean, they did have a couple requests, and one of them was a two-story wraparound porch.
I don't know what that means.
Oh yeah, two-story wraparound porch. So one on the first floor, one on the second.
Like that are connected?
Yeah.
I've never even heard of that.
Oh yeah, quite popular, all over Europe.
Oh, are your buyers from Europe?
No, they're from Wisconsin, but they love eating that little Greek. You know what? I'm going to talk to them.
You'll talk to them?
I'm going to talk to them.
Okay. Do you want to go? I should go show you the house then.
Let's go see the rest of the house.
Okay. Welcome. This is the foyer area.
Oh yeah.
It's big, bright.
Oh yeah. Tall ceilings, crown molding, nice, light, inviting.
What do you think? You like it?
I love it. I love it, Mark.
So it'll be good for your buyers.
Well, just a little thing, but you know they're very private people, so they like smaller ceilings. They like to push more people out, but we'll work with it. Let's see the rest of the house. What's this room?
Okay. Yeah. Let's check it out. So. Right away, right off the foyer entry, there's this, it's a flex space, an office.
Yeah, very nice. Oh, kitchen's a little underwhelming there, Mark.
That's a toy. This is their kids' room.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So what do you think? Everybody wants a good flex room, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, like this is a workout room. Makes sense. Got it.
It can be a workout room, but it can be an office too. They need space, right?
Well, he works in the field.
Okay.
Well, no, so like an actual field. He doesn't really have an office.
So they don't need storage or anything like that?
Yeah, they'll probably use it for storage, like tires and Beanie Babies, things like that.
Why do people like Beanie? Okay.
What's over here? Wow.
Yeah, so this is the formal dining area.
Yeah.
It's nice, right? So you have the so you have the office, the foyer, and then this formal dining space. But what I really want to point out, these floors, they're brand new laminate floors. Now, when I say brand new, like 48 hours ago. They're good. So your buyers they're going to be super pumped about brand new floors, right?
I mean, all right, to be honest, they were actually looking for like a carpet look ceramic tile.
What is that?
It's a carpet look ceramic tile.
So it's tile that looks like carpet?
Yeah.
That doesn't exist.
Oh, it does. It totally does.
No.
Oh yeah, hideous, but it exists.
Okay.
It's a great room though.
All right. So welcome to the kitchen. Yeah.
It's a lot of space, Mark.
I know. So you have the granite countertops. You have a desk over here.
42-inch cabinets.
Yep.
Crown molding.
Yeah.
Recessed lighting.
So much, right? So you love it, right?
Yeah, I love it.
It's huge.
I love it.
So what do you think your buyer? They're gonna love this, right?
I mean, it's a lot of space, Mark.
Yeah, it's a lot of people love cabinets in their kitchen.
Yeah, they're more of a paper cup and solo cup exclusive family. But you know what? I can tell them that they can rent these cabinets out. Oh yeah, so many families have lots of paper, lots of cups, lots of plates.
You can't rent out your cabinets.
You can in Wisconsin.
Well, okay, let's focus on the island. What do you think of this island?
I love the island.
Yeah, cooktop.
Big,
they're gonna love
functional.
They're gonna love it. They're gonna love it.
They kind of wanted more of like a peninsula, like a kitchen peninsula, but
what is that? I don't know what that is.
Kitchen peninsula, you know?
No, I don't. It's an island. It's not. Okay, forget it. What about the nice backsplash?
I love the backsplash.
It's great.
They were kind of looking like for a forward splash, but you know what? I'm gonna talk to them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but I love it. It's great.
Good. Ooh.
Gonna have to fix that.
It's not broken.
Right, let's see the room.
Okay. So Okay. This is the living room, the main family room area. It's cozy, isn't it?
Oh,
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tall ceilings.
Yeah, so great.
Yeah, they're like 20, 30 feet. I don't know. I can't jump that high.
Fireplace right over here?
Yeah, there's a beautiful fireplace. So you love it, right?
I love it.
Okay.
I really love it.
You buyers, they're gonna love it. This is gonna be.
I love it, Mark.
Okay, what about your buyers?
Well,
What?
they were kind of hoping for like a 6-foot ceiling max.
6 foot? That's not. I'm 6 foot.
They're small. People from Wisconsin are small. I can't argue with that.
What about the chimney?
Well, that bodes well because they believe in Santa Claus.
Let's go see the bedroom.
All right.
So the owner's suite. What do you think about this? I know, right?
Another great room.
I know. One of my favorite things is the crown molding, but these huge windows. Look at all this natural light.
Look at those windows.
Yeah, you can see out the whole yard's right there.
Mark, this is incredible.
It's gorgeous.
You know that I love this.
You love it. You love it.
I love this.
Yeah, I love it. You love it. What about your buyers? They're gonna love it, right? No. What's wrong?
Just a little thing.
Yeah. What?
But they wanted like a singular window. Just one singular window. This is
one big window. This has 3, so they wanted one big
one. A little bit smaller. Like think 1 by 1. Yeah. One direct beam of sunlight. They've got a picture that's
very specific.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But
I think
you know what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk to them about it.
Okay. Let's see the bathroom.
All right. Let's see it.
Master bathroom, right? So we have dual sinks.
I like that one too.
You have a huge walk-in shower.
That's big.
Walk-in closet, and then this tub.
It's a nice tub.
Yeah, it's a great tub.
Jetted?
Oh, yeah, it's a jacuzzi tub.
How many horsepower?
What was that? What?
How many horsepower?
Horsepower?
Yeah.
1 teen.
Now we're talking.
Oh, hey, this is the half bath. What do you think?
They wanted a quarter.
A quarter bath. Okay. All right.
Woo! Yeah, so here's the flex room, huh?
No, this is a bedroom.
Yeah.
They just have their gym.
A lot of resistance.
Don't touch that. Don't touch it. You're gonna break it. So this is a bedroom.
Okay. That
Yep,
works.
closet, everything. It's downstairs, bedroom. You love it?
Okay. Does that come with it?
The fish?
Yeah.
No.
We're gonna work on you, sir.
So stairs, huge open to the area. You love these?
I do like these. How many stairs?
19.
One too many.
Come on.
All right.
So we have the loft.
Loft. L-O-F-T.
The loft.
Wow.
Yeah. What do you think? So it's big. You have
So big.
entertainment. Kids can play up here. It's
real
a loft.
nice.
Perfect loft, right?
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna love a loft.
Oh yeah, everybody needs a loft.
Yeah. Yep.
So there's 2 bedrooms downstairs, and then there's how many bedrooms?
Why don't you see for yourself?
Okay. 3rd bedroom. 4th bedroom. 5th bedroom. 6th bedroom. Right?
Yeah.
6th bedroom.
So 6 bedrooms total.
Great.
4 up here.
4
that
bedrooms
would, they
up
would
here?
be. That would
That's
be
great. Yeah,
would they love it? Would they love it?
Well, one thing they wanted was no walls, like a 1-bedroom, 4-bedroom situation. Does that make sense?
No. I don't know. What do you mean?
Like no walls, but 4 bedrooms.
So like a loft.
Yes, no walls. Got it. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll work then.
Oh, I'm gonna talk to them.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
More to see, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
This is my favorite part of the house.
It's fantastic.
I know, the screened in porch,
Yeah.
fully screened in,
It's-
detached garage. But what we're looking at is this conservation view.
It's
no
amazing.
rear neighbors.
I'm in love.
Yeah.
I'm in
so
love.
your clients, they're gonna love this, right?
They were kind of hoping for more of like canyon view, but I'll talk to them.
What do you mean? What do you mean a canyon view?
Yeah, they wanted like a canyon view.
That's not it. We're in Central Florida. That doesn't exist.
I'm gonna talk to them.
So that's the tour of the house. We love it. It's going to be a great fit for a buyer. I don't think it's going to be a fit for Rob's. They seem a little particular about everything. Right. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Who are you talking to?
My clients?
Your clients?
Yeah, they love it. They want to make an offer. They
Are you
love it.
serious?
They love everything about it. It's perfect.
For them?
Yeah, they just didn't want me to show my cards. I'm just doing my realtor gig.
Okay, well, you better hurry if you want to put an offer in because it seems like one's coming in right now.
Click.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys.